Okay, so this video is going to be on how to field test a relay for a pulpit lift. I've got several things here. I've got a Dewalt battery. You could use Milwaukee, you can use rigid. I've got a digital multimeter. This multimeter has a continuity tester, so if I put it to continuity and I touch the leads to each other, the meter will make a tone. Okay, that tone means there's a complete circuit. So if I look at this relay, it does have a manual override on it that I could use, but that doesn't test the coil inside the relay. So we want to apply voltage to A1 and A2, positive on A1 and negative on A2. And then over on this side, the top level has in really little letters NC for normally closed, NO on the middle for normally open, and COM on the bottom for common. So in its off state, common is closed, is connected to the closed screw. There are two circuits in this relay. There's one circuit on this side, one circuit on this side. So if I take my meter and I put it on common and normally closed, I should get a tone on my meter, and I do. But if I touch normally open, no tone. So pulpit lift is connected to normally open and common on this side. So what I need now is I need a power source. What I'm going to do is I'm going to screw my probes in here, because I only got two hands and this project takes at least 4. So we'll screw this down here and we'll put this in here and screw it down. So now I've got those probes screwed in to those connections. Alright, and if I wanted to prove that, I could use the manual override and get a tone from my meter. Okay, so now I went to the hardware store, to Lowe's or Home Depot, and I bought a set of multimeter probes, and they typically have an end like this for your multimeter, like this, and I cut those ends off and I put a couple of spade connectors on it. Okay, my battery has some labels on it, and like it says B positive here to this slot and B negative here for this slot. So if I put the positive spade in there and the negative spade in there, I now have a power supply that I can use to test my relay with, and keeping in mind that positive goes on A1 and negative goes on A2, I'll put negative on first and then I'll put positive on, and I get a tone from my relay because my relay is closing it. I'm also getting a light up here on the top, so I know this relay is working, and I used my power tool battery as the power source. Thanks for watching.